me back. Tell me that we slipped and got off track. Tell me I'm the best you had. Tell me little lies like that, 'cause I'm still in that yellow cab after I walked out your flat, thinking about the words I said when I got mad, wishing I could take them back. Why am I holding on? Why am I holding on to loose ends and faded scars? I guess I just wanted more. Maybe it's the way you put your head behind your shoulders, and maybe it's the way you couldn't tell me it was over, but I can't let go. You let me down slow. Maybe it's because I had your photo on my dresser. Maybe it's because I could've sworn we had